Alright, so the first thing I want to do is protect the screen. So I'm going to go through this screen laxikoo screen protector process. So I don't know what this does, but it's got some instructions, tools that you need. I need to open this. Oh. So something for dust, wet wipes, a rag, dust collection paster. Okay, so basically clean it with the wipes, remove any dust with the little dust absorber, and put the guide frame on your device. Okay, so since it's currently still covered, put the guide frame on the device. Let's see. Put the guide frame on your device. New iPhone. Top. Okay, this says top. So put it like that. Okay, so let's for a reason not going around. Okay, there it is. There really shouldn't be anything on here because I just opened it. Alright, so let's get this thing open. White. What's nice is that this comes with 3 glasses. I mean, this looks pretty good already. I'm probably just adding this because I don't see anything on there. There's a little bit over there, but that's about it. Okay, still use this. Alright, then next it says put the frame on, so I went wrong way, I put the frame on. Then it says peel off the protective film from the glass screen protector and then place the screen protector from top to bottom frame guide, align it. Okay, so in here we have 3 of these. Okay, so this is one, the back, and in here it says this sticker helps to remove the mask from the screen guard. Okay, so we're gonna go. Did I already mess this up? I think I already messed this up. Don't ask me how. I'm not gonna use that one. So I'm gonna use this one. Somehow I got it dusty by freaking not paying attention. Now this is black. I'm gonna need some more light. Press and place screen protector top to the bottom, align with the camera, press on the center left of the screen protector and slide smoothly center right. Adhesive will take its effect. Take off the frame guide. Alright, so we're gonna go from, you know what, I need my goggles, my light. So I legit can't see. Whoa, look at this. All right, that just fell into place. I didn't even do anything. Catch that? All right. Damn. I got two little dust bubbles over there. That's all right. I'm not that picky about it, so I'm just protected. All right. I got two little, I don't know if you guys can see it, but kind of messed up right here. I got like two little dust guys right there, but yeah, this is how you put it on. There you go.